Okay, you can see that it is plugged in. This is the machine that you had just sent me to replace the old one that I cut the cord. So there's clothes in there, water filled up, turning it on. You'll hear it click, but it doesn't spin. See, there's no movement going on in there. There's no movement, just clicking. That's it. Turn this off. Turn it to drain. It doesn't drain. That's all it does. Here's your drain hose inside. It is not draining. It is attached. And the cord is there. You see the cord back there. You hear a whistle sound, but there is no water coming out. So yes, I'm asking for a refund for the second machine that I received. Thank you.
Okay, so this is my portable washer and spinner. The washer holds on a lot of clothes actually, and the spinner is a pretty good amount. So right now I'm just filling